Good day. Welcome to the Prokon YouTube channel. My name is Michael Klomp and I'm a technical support consultant at Prokon. Today I'm going to illustrate some of the features of Probar 2D Scheduler. This video will illustrate how to customize your bending schedule template to suit your company's requirements, how to make modifications to the scheduler, and how to find bars in AutoCAD's model space by using the scheduler. Open up the DWG file, which should be located in the Prokon Probar 2D folder on your C drive. In this DWG, you can delete the existing Prokon logo and add your company's logo. To add your company's logo, ensure that it is saved as a bitmap image and that it is saved in the same location as the DWG. Once your company's image and website details have been added to the template, you can rename and save the DWG file to the same C drive location. Probar 2D Scheduler provides you with 3 modifier options to renumber and optimize bar marks within the bending schedule. The first modification option is to optimize and renumber bar marks by selecting the rebar entities in AutoCAD's model space. The second modifier option is to renumber bars by selecting the member or members in the Scheduler tab. The last modifier option is to renumber and optimize bar marks by selecting the cells in the scheduler for rebar entities in the model space you would like to change. For all modifier options, both the rebar entities in the model space as well as the scheduler bar marks will be updated. Should you wish to find a certain rebar entity in the model space, you have the option to use the show command by selecting the cell of the rebar entity in the scheduler. To ensure that your company's drawing template is used when publishing schedules, specify the logo and title block location in the General tab. The title block can also be customized to suit your personal requirements in the title block tab, so that this doesn't make any changes every time you publish it into AutoCAD's model space. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications.